am Dr. Kayode Sanni, in charge of rice program at AATF and also taking charge of the Alliance for Hybrid Rice in Africa. At AATF, we have developed hundreds of hybrids, indigenous hybrids developed and bred here in Africa with a parental line available for private seed company for continuous use and for continuous breeding. So these last 2 weeks has been the peak of our activities on the on-farm demo that we're doing in the central part of Kenya, precisely Kirinyaga and Murang'a, where we have about 10 different farmers field where we plant hybrid rice in minimum of 1 acre of land, using each farmer's land size in that region. And on the land that we are talking about, today we are accumulating the activity by doing the harvesting of the hybrids and the harvesting of the inbred best commercial check that is being used in Kenya. The first clear observation is that the hybrid got matured earlier than the best inbred check. As you can see behind me, the best inbred check is still on the field, yet to mature. Whereas the hybrid is already matured and harvested today, these still have about 15 days to maturity, to full maturity. So that is already an advantage of the hybrid. And apart from this, we have just checked the weight of the hybrids compared to the Pishori, which is also one of the check that is used. The weight of the hybrid is more than double the weight of Pishori already looked at. So what we are trying to do here is to promote set of rice, indigenously developed hybrid rice that can help farmer, one, increase their yield, two, increase their income, number three, help to have a good seed system for rice, because that's a big challenge. The farmers don't have good seed, and this actually affects their productivity. So this hybrid is going to help to build a good rice seed system in Kenya and scale to other parts of Africa, so that one is going to be a win-win thing where the yield of the farmer is increased, where the seed companies can diversify their business from other crops they are doing into rice, and also can help to create employment, because the seed companies are going to employ people. Apart from doing that, it's also contributing to the national rice development strategy of the country of doubling the yield. From what we have calculated and what we have seen from the field, before we even start doing the statistics, hybrid is the easiest way to move the yield in Kenya to the 7 tons per hectare target for 2030. And in addition, it's going to help to build a good business along the rice value chain, wherein the millers are going to have enough grains to mill, number one. Number two, they're going to have uniform grains. So it's going to help them to stabilize the calibration of their milling machines. That is important. The second thing the other thing that is going to do is going to contribute to this rice self-sufficiency of Kenya, whereby the importation of rice is going to be reduced, and when the land area begin to expand for the production, then Kenya can meet its target of being self-sufficient in rice. And with what we have seen in the potential land available for rice in Kenya, Kenya has the ability to produce rice beyond what Kenya can consume and export to neighboring country. And with looking at that, to actually build a kind of inter-border trade, which is going to help to galvanize the one trade zone that AU have really been advocating for. So which I think will help us, one, not improve food security, improve trade, improve employment, also improve income to farmers. So that is what we have come to do here. Thank you very much.